Scuba diving is an underwater diving mode where divers use breathing equipment completely independent of the surface breathing gas supply, and therefore has a limited but variable endurance. The word scuba is an acronym for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus and was coined by Christian J. Lambertson in a patent submitted in 1952. Scuba divers carry their source of breathing gas, affording them greater independence and movement than surface-supplied divers and more time underwater than freedivers. Although compressed air is commonly used, other gas blends are also employed. Scuba diving offers two primary types of systems: open-circuit and closed-circuit or semi-closed circuit rebreather systems. Open-circuit scuba systems discharge the breathing gas into the environment as it is exhaled and consist of one or more diving cylinders containing breathing gas at high pressure, which is supplied to the diver at ambient pressure through a diving regulator. They may include additional cylinders for range extension, decompression gas, or emergency breathing gas. Closed-circuit or semi-closed circuit rebreather scuba systems allow recycling of exhaled gases. The volume of gas used is reduced compared to that of open circuit, making longer dives feasible. Rebreathers extend the time spent underwater compared to open circuit for the same metabolic gas consumption. They produce fewer bubbles and less noise than open-circuit scuba, which makes them attractive to covert military divers to avoid detection, scientific divers to avoid disturbing marine animals, and media diver to avoid bubble interference. Scuba diving has various applications, including recreational, professional uses in scientific, military, and public safety roles. However, most commercial diving uses surface-applied diving equipment for breathing gas security when this is practicable. Scuba divers engaged in armed forces covert operations may be referred to as frogmen, combat divers, or attack swimmers. A scuba diver primarily moves underwater using fins worn on the feet, but external propulsion can be provided by a diver propulsion vehicle or a sled towed from the surface. Other equipment needed for scuba diving includes a mask to improve underwater vision, exposure protection by means of a diving suit, ballast weights to overcome excess buoyancy, equipment to control buoyancy,